To assemble the changing table for the Lullaby Dream and the Lullaby Glow portable playards, first locate the two end pieces, two side rails, and the changing table pad. Turn the pad upside down and locate the side sleeves. You will want to take each of the side rails and slide them into the sleeves on the appropriate side of the changing pad. To correctly orient the side rail, make sure the corners are turned towards the center of the changing pad and the foam is facing down. Starting at one side of the changing pad, expose the ends of the rail pieces from the sleeves. Now, with one of the end pieces, slide the end of the side rail into the groove on the end piece, part of the way in. Then do the same for the other side rail, only part of the way in. Now with both in place, press the end piece down until it clicks. Pull the fabric over to cover the frame. Repeat the same procedure to install the end piece on the other side. Now flip the changing table over right side up and fold the plastic panels on the ends of the changing table to form it to the frame. Next, with the changing table back upside down, locate the fabric tabs along the outside of the changing pad. Thread the fabric tabs through their corresponding slots on the frame in the direction shown and pull them through. Flatten the tabs out on the frame to secure them into place. Repeat the same procedure on the other end to secure the changing pad. If you have inserted the fabric tabs into the slots in the wrong direction, feed more of the tab through to allow slack, and then use your finger to orient the tab so that it will move freely back through the slot. Then install the tabs in the proper way. Once all the fabric tabs are properly installed, flip the changing table right side up. Make sure that your zipper insert is seated properly by unzipping the insert. Locating the hook and loop tabs, and fastening them on each side. Your changing table is now ready for use.